he's got something up there and he's eating it. I don't own any copyrights to the music. I like listening to K-Earth 101. Check it out, this hawk is eating something up here. Oh, he's eating a rat.
That's Foreigner with number 4 of their 9 top 10 hits, Double Vision. That's the number 2 hit on our top 5 from this week in 1978. And believe it or not, the song that's sitting in the top spot on the countdown is by a one-hit wonder.
I'm about to load a truck up. This guy's over here devouring a rat. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. That is awesome.
Here's Nick Gilder with Hot Child in the City.
She bought something wild. Stranger.
I don't own any copyrights to the music. I just like listening to K-Earth 101. Check it out, he's straight eating up a rat. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.